out in the hand.
Hold it. Alright, I'm sorry, bud. I'll be back shortly.
Alright.
Ooh, so close.
Run.
God, keep your eye on the pear.
You love smashing it, Jay. Huh? Here we go. I'll get another one.
Oh!
Jaylee,
no more. Hurry up.
Come on.
Come on!
Don't like it.
Oh, too far out.
I can...
Straight up in front of you, not straight out in front of you.
No, Jay. That's for them. That's for them.
Go ahead, Trent.
I'm picking for them.
Okay.
No. One.
Mom.
No.
Mom.
I'm counting to 3. Get over here.
All right, I'm videotaping. She won't miss it.
Hurry up.
Oh.
Jay, come on. Slow it down and keep the eye on it.
Yeah.
I can just... Wow.
That's good.
You know, if I throw it right out at that tree, it will bounce off and smash.
Awesome. Slow trend. Keep
I'm
your eye
going
on it.
shoulder down. Pull. And then it smash.
Yay! You did it.
You just need to hit it.
This is it. Your last chance.
Really go.
Your last chance.
Go. Go. Trent, go.
Good, Jay. You smash it. This is it. Last swing. Make
Somebody
it
else
good.
that one.
No, make it good. Make it good.
Go. Oops, sorry.
Make it good. Trend.
Make it good. Make it loud.
Beating on the grass doesn't help.
No.
Oh, so close. Go, Trent. Go, Trent. You need to cheer along.
Trinity. Woo!
When people cheer me on, I can hit it. One in the head.
Okay, Raven, what the heck is that?
Raven.
Really? Raven, can you hit
Just
it?
a thought. You might want to throw it up and go like that.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. There you
There you
go.
go.
And the crowd goes crazy.
Where'd it go?
And this is what we do in fun in Douglas.
I like your phone. Oh, you're gonna hit it from your mouth?
Where'd Chris go?
In the house?
Oh.
I think he's getting.
And the world goes crazy. Woo!
All right, Jaylee's
Oh, you split that one in half.
Jaylee's
Hold
turn.
on, Billy. Come on. Hold that. I need to
Hold
wait.
on.
Why
Okay.
did you hold that? Because I'm gonna smash it after.
Jaylee, hurry up.
Raven, look out.
Mom. I'm getting eaten.
Yeah, I'm going into it. I'm getting eaten.
Mom, look at.
Very good. Let me
Come on,
see.
Jay.
Good shot. All right, I'm going to just stop this now.